Hello everyone, this is Nagarajan. First of all, I should say sorry. I've not posted any stock related videos for the past 4 weeks. I've been busy with the technical videos, that's why. But my subscribers have been asking me to share some good stocks, so I thought of sharing this good stock today. Let's get started. In today's video, we are going to talk about Mahindra Logistics Limited, one of India's leading third-party logistics solutions provider with over a decade of experience. The company offers supply chain expertise to diverse industry verticals such as automotive, engineering, consumer goods, pharmaceuticals, telecommunications, commodities, and e-commerce. The company offers services like transportation as well. Through the large fleet of dedicated vehicles, they are well positioned to cater to any transportation requirement across India. When it comes to enterprise mobility business, also called Allied, provides technology-enabled and customized solutions for the daily pickup and drop requirements of enterprises such as IT, ITES, business process outsourcing, financial services, consulting, and manufacturing industries. They have a fleet of small and mid-sized vehicles, sports utility vehicles, electric vehicles, and buses, all provided by their business partners. About their warehousing services primarily include inventory control, storage management, and value-add services. They manage over 17 million square feet of warehousing space at multiple locations across the country. Just imagine 17 million square feet. That's really a huge number. And the next service is a very interesting and amazing service. When I talk about their capabilities in international freight forwarding, they offer various services to the customers like air freight and ocean freight operations, exports and imports, full container load, and less than container load services. Actually, I named a few, but they are providing more services. Those are really incredible. Have a look at this video to know about their effective business in terms of logistics, warehousing, and value-added services. Thank you for watching the video. It's time to look at the stock price. It is trading at the range of 530 to 550 levels. As we have seen in the previous video, that showed up the business strength and services across different verticals. In my opinion, I would say it's a very good company for long term, over 5 to 10 years down the line. As I keep saying, buying a stock, it's like owning a business. Making a good amount of money never happens in a short span of time. It needs discipline and strong conviction. Keep learning about stock market and gain some good knowledge and then invest for long term. And one more thing, please don't get involved in trading and lose your hard-earned money. That's my advice for the beginners. That's all for today. I'll get you some good stock in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.